Alright guys, here we are in Brandon's garage. It's been a while since we've been in here last. This thing's been down for a while. We mentioned it a few times. I don't think we ever went really in depth on what happened. I could be mistaken, I don't know if we did or not. But in the meantime, Brandon picked up some goodies for it. Copped some not brand new wheels. They look brand new, but $400.
With tires.
That's a steal with tires.
Shout out my dude Andy.
Shout out Andy. I don't know who you are, but shout out to you, man. Like, you hooked it up.
He's the G, bro. Like, well, he got like new wheels. He got his for $450.
Okay.
So for $50, he got Whistlers.
Yeah.
With tires.
Nice.
So
Yep.
these look really good. I gotta. Oh my god, they're so much
Brandon
better
up
than
with these. They're really concave. I'm not sure if I can really get a good angle, but there's one on the back.
Anymore or anything.
No spacers or anything. That's perfect. But come around here to the back. Hopefully you can see a little bit more of the concave. But really suits the car. I wasn't too sure at first, but now that I see him in person.
I don't know if it'll show up on the wide angle, but in person, like right here, I love this angle over here.
Let me see. Oh yeah.
Looks like so fucking retro.
Oh yeah, it shows up on the wide angle even.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at the concave.
Such a good angle.
God, it just fits so well. So much better than these. These were good though. These were good for the time. These are just nice. They look kind of brand new, which is pretty sick. So
there's like a few scuffs, but other than that, like
yeah,
they're brand new.
They're pretty clean. But anyways, we gotta fix the Corrado today, or Brand does, and I'm gonna try not to say this video because I keep getting roasted for that.
Shit for that, dude.
Dude, I don't know. I honestly think everyone sort of does unless they're like a public speaker. Because I was like looking for it in Bailey's video too, and he sort of did it too. So I can't be the only one, guys. Yeah, it's just a habit when you're trying to think of something to say. But anyways, if you remember the dowel pin video that we did a long time ago where we sort of drilled in these dowel pins and stuff, that's sort of what we're doing today, pretty much.
Do it again.
Yeah, gotta do it again.
Fuck me.
Hopefully the Corrado gets fixed today, and
yeah, hopefully it's fixed today.
hopefully it's fixed today, and hopefully it drives. So
We'll actually putting this on too. I don't know if you showed them that.
oh, I've not yet. It was on your Instagram story though.
New
so.
pulley.
Yep.
Because mine's somewhere on the highway. So
the pulley fell off?
Yes.
Oh my god.
This right here. This, obviously the OEM piece, is sitting on the highway somewhere.
That's ridiculous. I didn't realize that fell off.
It did. I ran it over.
That's absolutely ridiculous.
This snapped. This holds this into the crank. And then
is that what was sort of seared in there and you had to pull it out? Yeah.
So now, so it's like that. That bolt snapped, so it just went like that and the whole thing went.
Damn. Alright, well that's kind of brutal.
So this is 4 pounds lighter than, 4 pounds lighter than the original one.
Weight savings. There you go.
Light and pulley.
Always trying to save weight when you can. Our goal for today, get the Corrado running again. It's been down for like what, 2 months? A month and a half?
Almost. It's actually coming up on 2 months.
Damn. If you don't follow Brandon on Instagram, he got hella clout from the post he made when it went down though, so
Hella cloud.
hopefully you'll get hella clout again for when it's back up and running. Hopefully today. I don't know. People like to see our demise rather than the glow up, so I don't know. I guess that's just the way the internet works. But we're gonna keep you guys updated today. New wheels looking fresh.
I'm so hyped.
Look at those custom rotors, courtesy of Quick Stop Pro.
Yeah. Makes your hole perfectly straight.
Ooh.
It's a reamer. The good thing is this new crank gear.
Yeah.
Wherever I put it. Anyways, right.
Yeah, I was thinking.
The holes, they just drill the holes. They're not like set to a standard.
Yeah.
So I was afraid because the old holes are all like widened out.
Yeah.
You get in here, like look at this. See how they're doing that?
Yeah.
Shouldn't be able to move in there. If I put that in there, it's like not gonna move. It doesn't even fit yet.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I'll be able to put new holes, which is good.
Breaking out the torque wrench. We got Antony joining us today. Fucking with the soup plantation without me the other day. It's fucked up.
Yeah, we do that all the time, dude.
It's messed up.
You just gotta show up with us. It's not that they're that tight, but spark plugs scare me.
Yeah.
Because they're aluminum, you know?
That's the hope right here from when we started up, that there's not a bent valve.
Everybody says odds are there's not. So
yeah. Brandon said that the form said that if you have stock cam, most likely then the valves are not bent.
Well, because the thing is, it has to be on max, like max lift for it to happen, or else it won't touch. And the thing about this is, since like max lift is at the end of the lobe, if it's even like a degree one direction, it'll just slip to like the low end of the lobe. I mean, even then, plugs are so easy to get out. Resists, right? Because like valves are opening, and then when you get to a certain point, watch. See that?
Yeah.
So if it did that while I was driving, and when the belt came off, then I should be fine. Otherwise, I would have had to stop at the point before that, you know?
Hoping for the best.
Hoping for the best, that's right.
All right, let's just get this position here.
Yeah, we gotta get the technique going, because...
So if you guys are doing this to yourselves, this is the proper technique. Brandon, go ahead and show them.
Okay. You want the car high enough so that so that your torque wrench can fit under the car, and then you ask, whoop, hold on. You ask your friend, fuck me. Hold the brakes, and then hold them harder. Okay. And then you just push using your arms and your legs.
That click, by the way, this is at, what is that? 220 foot-pounds.
Jesus. So yeah,
That should be good.
we got that on now. Next step.
Now, every time I drive this car, I'm going to check to see if that's loose
Yeah,
or if my pulley's wobbling.
definitely.
Because after I did this last time, I remember I said in the video, it's like, never have to worry about it again.
We got Jake over here.
Dude, it's leg day up in here. These
Yeah, leg
brakes
day.
are all tight right now. It's messed up. It's leg day.
Getting screwed.
I need to start using my left one.
Shout out, BBM, for the pulley. This is their G60 billet aluminum pulley. Crank dowel set. Shit's sick. Even comes with the timing mark in it. But just want to get a nice little shot before it goes in.
Ooh, nice and pretty.
So, alright, that's all I need to say. We'll have the link in the description,
Yes,
as
sir.
always. They deserve it. You got a Volkswagen, or an Audi, or a Porsche. Hit them up. They got all this shit.
Alright guys, Brandon's just doing the finishing touches. Didn't show the dowel pin install because we already showed that in a whole nother video. So if you really are interested in that, you can go way back and I'll either put a link in the description or you can just find it. Anyways guys, you can see it down there. We got the pulley. Oh, I thought the wheel was on. Thought the wheel was on. I forgot. Okay. But as you can see, installed right there. Nice and shiny. Yeah, hopefully the battery is charged. We'll see though. And if it is, we will get our first startup.
Battery dead?
Yeah, battery's dead.
Okay, well that sucks.
So we're back. Battery's charged.
Battery's charged. And I think we're just gonna go ahead and start it.
Go for it.
We're gonna watch Brandon's engine blow up for the third time.
Oh yeah, we got Robert in here now.
Let me make sure it's in.
Jake is Jake left. He's a little bit of a bitch. So, all right, it's that time. Brandon's gonna give it a start.
You ready?
Let's see it.
Do it.
Oh god, I'm scared.
Just do it.
And it runs.
touch it.
You scared the shit out of me. That scared the fuck out of me. So ratchet fell.
It kind of sounds like a valve.
Yeah, I don't know what that.
You hear the like.
There's that weird tick that.
Kind of what a valve sounds like.
Yeah.
But the pulley is wobbling.
Yeah. Is this tight now?
Yeah, it's tight all the way.